There are dozens of videos here on the Arthofer Tonkin Law Office's website. You can watch them on our website, you can watch them on YouTube. In a lot of my videos, I talk about the difficulties of dealing with insurance companies when you've been injured in a personal injury matter. I often talk about the tactics that the insurance companies use to take advantage of the injured party in an injury matter. Today, it's going to sound almost like I'm giving a sales pitch for insurance companies, but I'm not. I want to talk to you about a critically important area of law here in California. You're required to have auto or motorcycle insurance if you're driving on the roadways in this state. And there's a severe penalty if you don't have auto insurance and you're in a personal injury accident. In general, there are two categories of damages in a personal injury case. Damages are the monetary compensation that you can receive as a result of being injured. Why am I talking about money? You might be thinking, geez, lawyers are always talking about money. Unfortunately, in a personal injury case, no personal injury attorney, no matter how talented, can give you back what was taken. What we can do is help put together the resources that you need to pay for your medical bills, replace the wages you've lost, compensate you for future wage loss if you'll have it, and future medical bills. Those categories of damages are just that, damages, and they break down into two parts. You have special damages, that's things that you have a receipt for, like medical bills or like wage loss, for example. And you have general damages, what everybody else generally calls pain and suffering. Those are things that you don't have a receipt for. Well, having auto insurance or motorcycle insurance is critical because if you're involved in a personal injury incident and you don't have insurance, the law prevents you from recovering for your general damages. That is to say, your pain and suffering. Unfortunately, I've had a number of occasions over the course of my career to consult with or represent people who didn't have insurance at the time that they were injured. Some of these cases have included some of the most severe physical injuries that you can imagine. And at the end of the day, I could only recover a limited sum from my client because their pain and suffering, all the surgeries, the long bone surgeries, the placement of plates, screws, joint replacement, all of that pain of going through those procedures, losing the ability to walk, independence, those things, it can't recover the personal part of that for you. I can't recover the pain and suffering for you. I can recover for medical bills, past and future, or wage loss, but for the insult of what's happened to you and the years that your life has changed, I can't recover that for you if you don't have insurance. So it's key that you have appropriate automobile liability or motorcycle liability insurance if you're driving on the roadway. Because if somebody injures you in an incident like a car accident, you're going to be in a very, very difficult spot for receiving full compensation if you don't have insurance. Here at the Arthofer Tonkin Law Offices, this is what we do. We help people who've been injured by the negligence of someone else. If that's you, call us today for a free consultation about your matter.